Hi and welcome to this introduction video. Today I did a model of the high velocity impact, fully model of the high velocity impact of a rigid hammer and composite panel which is made of two-layer top and bottom. Here the gray, you can see the gray super astronite stainless steel plate and the CFRP at the top and at the middle to absorb the energy. This is the protective structure under the high velocity impact. It can be used also for the uh, protective panel against the blast load also. You can see here the result uh, for the damage in the CFRP layer at the middle. You can see the hashing damage, and then we have Mises esters for all parts. You can see the deformation here which is happen, and it means the protective layer here is filled with this deformation, as you can see here. And then we have damage variable for all parts. uh, the top layer of the CFRP is fully damaged. Then we have plastic deformation of the superaustenite steel. That's a good and great steel uh, metal for the uh, high velocity impact. It has a good resistance. And then the Johnson Cook damage for that, it is fully damaged. And hashing damage for the matrix, you can see, and this is the another view of the damage variable. Okay, if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website abacusfm.com. This is the tutorial. Click on this or search it in the search section here. Then you will have the introduction, assemble part, then the definition of the model, and then material model, result here, the numerical method, and the key parameters here, and then at the end the result. And here about the project file and purchase information, you will receive the CAE INP paper, a step-by-step video, and the price for this is 28 euros. We accept all the payment methods like the cryptocurrencies, PayPal, Visa, and MasterCard. Before that, contact us through this email to tell you more about the payment process, the tutorial content, or anything that you need to know. For now, thank you for your attention.